Welcome to the Little Stars Show. Today, we're going to learn about some amazing vehicles that help us during emergencies. Are you ready? Let's get started. Police car. Police car helps police officers catch people who break the law and keep everyone safe. Woohoo! Go, police car!
A speedy car that's going too fast. Hey there, speedy car. You're going too fast. Slow down for your safety and the safety of others. In our city, we have many vehicles, but only two of them is the police car. Can you help us find it?
Oh no! Oh no!
Remember, the police car is the one that helps keep us safe and catches the bad guys. It's important to drive safely and follow the rules of the road. Let's give a big thumbs up to Super Police Car for keeping us safe.
This is a fire truck, a special vehicle packed with equipment to fight fires and save lives.
I need your help to find the vehicles that firefighters use to battle fires. Can you find the vehicle with a big ladder?
A fire truck with a ladder has a tall ladder that can reach high places. It helps firefighters rescue people and fight fires in tall buildings or structures.
When you hear the loud sirens, that means our firefighters are rushing to help someone in need. Firefighters use special tools like the jaws of life to rescue people trapped in cars. It's important to stay calm and wait for their help. Firefighters connect their hoses to a nearby fire hydrant, which provides them with a steady supply of water. Firefighters use fire extinguishers to control small fires. Remember, if you see a fire, get help from an adult and never try to put it out by yourself. When there's a fire in a tall building, firefighters use long ladders to reach people who need help. They work together as a team to safely bring them to the ground. Let's give a big thank you to our brave firefighters. They risk their lives every day to keep us safe.
Ambulance. Oh no! Someone is very sick or hurt. But don't worry, the ambulance is here. It takes people to the hospital quickly so they can get the help they need. Great job, ambulance!
In the heart of the city, an emergency unfolds. People are trapped on a tall building, surrounded by thick smoke. But fear not, help is on the way. A rescue helicopter swiftly arrives. Skilled and courageous rescue teams suspend themselves on ropes, descending from the hovering helicopter. Do we need these?
Oh no!
Fire engine.
Tow truck. Oh no, a car is broken down on the road. But don't worry, the tow truck is here to help. It moves the broken down cars to a safe place for repairs. Way to go, tow truck! Lifeguard rescue boat. Now, let's head to the water. This is a lifeguard rescue boat. It helps lifeguards save people who are in trouble and can't swim safely. They keep us safe in the water. Yay, lifeguard rescue boat! Oh no! There's a building on fire! The fire engine arrives with its sirens blaring and lights flashing. Firefighters jump off the fire engine and start connecting hoses to hydrants. The police car is here too! The police officers are helping keep everyone safe. They're making sure people stay away from the fire and helping direct traffic. Here comes the ambulance! The paramedics are ready to help anyone who might be hurt or feeling sick. Look up in the sky! It's the rescue helicopter. The water from the hoses is cooling down the fire. Thanks to the brave firefighters, police officers, paramedics, and rescue personnel, they're working together to keep everyone safe. They are our heroes. Thanks for joining us today on the Little Stars Show. All shining stars, keep dreaming big and building bright futures. Goodbye, little stars.